Hey beauties, I'm Coach Natalie Carey. We're doing a beginner stair workout today, so you can fit in a little bit of cardio. Start stepping up and down with me, and you can go at a slower pace. Same foot up, same foot goes down. Up, up, down, down. Up, down, down. We'll be here for 30 seconds, then we'll switch to the other foot. You can take it here at this pace or start to speed it up. I have trouble finding stair workouts for my clients because every single stair workout out there seems to be for fat loss or weight loss. And can't we just work out and not have it be for either of those? Finishing up on this first side of the up downs, transition to the other leg, lifting up. You working out today, that's a gift to yourself. Cardio is a gift to your heart so that you can keep pumping for years to come. There are so many people that at some point in their life, they have wished they could climb stairs, that they could do a stair climb workout because they're in a position where they can't do that. Maybe they don't have the ability or the strength, or they're injured. So every cardio workout, that's a gift to you. Next movement, we step up to the side. We step up, bring that leg out to the side, back down. Step up one leg, kick the other leg out to the side, back down. Kick, back down. When you get comfortable, you can speed this up, down, up, down, up, down. Here for 30 seconds on this leg. You might be feeling this in that side booty on that lifting leg, the one lifted out to the side. All right, let's switch to the other side. Again, start at a slow tempo. Up, kick, and down. Up, kick, and down. We're here for 30 seconds. You go at the tempo that works best for you. This is your workout. I'm exhaling as I stand up. Let's transition into some toe taps. I tap my toe on the step, switch, tap the other toe. Switch, tap the other toe. Tap, 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 tap. Now let's speed it up. Tap, 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 tap. Here for 30 seconds. Keep going for 3, 2, and 1. You can pause here and take a water break if you need to, and then let's get right back into your second circuit. So we'll step up 2 steps. Step 2 together. Step 2 together. Again, step 2 together. Step 2 together. We keep going. All on that one foot starting. So I started with my right foot. We transition over to your second side. Left, right, left. Now we go down, left, down, right, left together. Left, right, left, left, right, left. Left, right, left, left, right, left. Keep going. Now we transition into a step with a reach. So I step onto the first step, I reach, kick that leg behind me, step back, switch, step up, reach, and switch. Step, reach and kick behind me, step, reach and kick behind me. We keep going. I'm exhaling on that step and kick. Okay, shake that off. Now we're going up the stairs sideways. Step, cross, step, together, step, cross, step, together. Again, right, left crosses over, right, together, left steps down, right crosses over, left, and down. We keep going. Okay, switch over to your other side. Now we step up left, cross over right, step over left, together, right goes down, left steps across, right, together. One more time, I step up left, I cross right, step up left, together, right, cross left, right, together. All right, let's go for it. We have one more. Now we transition into our next exercise. I'm going to step up, plant my foot, reverse lunge. Step, drive the knee forward, plant the foot, reverse lunge. Switch over to your second side. So whatever foot was stepping up, switch that. Now the leg that was driving forward is now stepping up. We drive the knee, step back, reverse lunge. Step, drive the knee, step back, reverse lunge. This one you might have to take slower because there's more components to it. Last one. Whew, good. Pause if you need to, take a sip of water, towel off. We're gonna go into our second set. All of that over again if you choose to do that today. We're starting with those up downs. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. Up, up, down, down. All right, pick it up. And switch feet. Up, up, down, down, up, down, down. Pick it up a little faster. Last one. Now let's step up to the side. Kick and down. Step, kick, and down. Keep going. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down. Last one. Shake that out. Go to the second side. Step, kick, and down. Step, kick, and down. If you lose your balance, you just get right back up. You keep going. Two more. Last one. We go into our toe taps. Tap, 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 tap. Speed it up if you can. Tap, 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 tap. Keep going. Three, two, one. We have our second round of our second circuit. So we'll step up 2 steps. Step 2 together. Step 2 together. Again, step 2 together. Step 2 together. We keep going. Switch to the other foot. You can take it here at this pace or start to speed it up. Remember, we're gonna step up and reach, step, reach, switch, step, reach, and switch. Give me one more each side. Last one. Good. Turn sideways. We're climbing laterally. Step up, cross, step, together, down, cross, down, together. One more time. Up, cross, up, together, down, cross, down, together. Let's speed it up a little. Hold on to that hand railing if that makes you feel more comfortable. Switch to your second side on this lateral step up. You go step, cross, step, together, step, cross, step, together. Again, hold on to the handrail for safety if you need to. And now we speed it up. Last one. We go into our step up to reverse lunge. The last thing we have to do today. Let's get to it. Step, knee, plant, reverse lunge. Step, knee, plant, reverse lunge. It's not about how fast you go. It's not about how many reps you get in today. It's for doing the amount of time that you've set for yourself, for nobody else, just for you, because this is your workout, and striving to hit that time goal. Two more. Now we're stepping up with the opposite leg. Here we go. Step, knee, step, reverse lunge. Step, knee, step, reverse lunge. Keep going. Whoa, sometimes I fall over, that's okay. We're all human. Okay, give me two more. Last one. Congratulatory booty shake. You did it. Excellent work on this stair cardio circuit.